Hello guys, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial series. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. So if you guys are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notification regarding my upcoming videos. In this video, we will learn about line command in AutoCAD. So let's start it. So what is line command? Line is the fundamental command of AutoCAD and line is the draw type command, and it has 2 points, starting point and next point. So now I'm going to discuss the steps how to draw the triangle using line command. So step 1, type L in command bar, press enter or space bar. Step 2, specify first point in working space area. Step 3, specify next points, which is 200 mm for first side of the triangle. Step 4, again specify next point, that is 200 mm for second side of the triangle. Step 5, again specify next point 200 mm for third side of the triangle, or select close from the specify next point. So enter or type C in the command bar. Now I'm going to show these steps in AutoCAD. So let's move into AutoCAD. Now we are on AutoCAD. So before start the drawing, make sure you should have set up the units and limit. So I have already discussed about how to set up units and limit in previous video. For that video, I have a given link in the description of this video. So please watch that videos so you will get the concept regarding units and limit. Now come to line command. Let's draw the line having dimension 200 mm. So let's type L in command bar. So type L and press enter. So you will see the statement like specify first point. So now I'm going to specify the first line in workspace area. Let's specify here. So now you can see over here line command is activated. Now again you will see the statement like specify next points. So now let's enter the next point. So enter the dimension of the lines. So let's enter 200. So now I'm going to put 200. So 200 and press enter. And to move out from line command, press escape button. Now we can see over here our line is drawn. Now let's draw the triangle by using line command which we have discussed. So let's start it. Now type L in the command space bar, press enter, and again you will see specify first point. So now I'm going to specify first point of the triangle over here. Again you will see this statements specify next points. Now I'm going to specify next point of the line having dimension 200 mm. So let's enter 200. Press enter. Now again you will see this statement specify next point. So we have draw first side of the triangle. Let's draw second side of the triangle. Now again enter 200 dimensions. So enter 200 and press enter. Again you will see these statements like this. Specify next point having option close or undo. So let's select close, so triangle will be completely drawn. So let's type C in the command space bar. So C, then as we can see over here, our triangle is drawn. Now let's practice another example, which is rectangle. So let's draw the rectangle with the help of line command. So let's draw it. So first type L and enter. So you will see again specify first line. Now I'm going to specify over here. Just click over here, and one thing you can see over here, our line is not completely straight. So to draw the line straight, so we have to switch on the ortho mode. So we can see over here in status bar, we have an option like here ortho mode. So we can switch on it from here by clicking on it or by pressing F8. Let's click on it. Now our ortho is on. So you can see over here our line is completely straight. Now I'm going to specify next point having dimension 200. So let's put 200. 200, enter. Now let's draw another side of the rectangle. So again you will see a statement like specify next points. Again I'm going to put the dimension of second side of the rectangle. So let's put hundreds. Press enter. Again come to third side. You'll see the statement like this, specify next point. Again I am going to put the dimension of this side 200. So let's put 200 and enter. Now for this you can put the dimension 100 or you can use the option like specify next point having option close or undo. Let's type C for close it. So type C, enter. So our rectangle is completely drawn as you can see over here. Now let's check the dimension of the rectangle. So to check the dimension of the rectangle sides, select dimension linear command, click on it, click first point and second point. So this is the dimension of the first side of the rectangle. Now again to measure the second side of the rectangle, click on here, again here to measure the third line over here, and finally fourth side of the rectangle is here. As you can see over here, dimension of the first side 200, second side is 100 and third side is 200 and fourth side is 100. So this is about line command which we have discussed. Hope you guys like this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you will get notification regarding my upcoming videos related to AutoCAD drafting, electrical, mechanical as well as HVAC. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.